Hi, I'm Mike, the Director of Sales for Streetside Classics, out here at our Nashville, Tennessee location. If you're interested in purchasing a vehicle, follow me inside. I'm going to introduce you to our Sales Manager, Brad.
Hey guys, welcome to Streetside Classics Nashville, Tennessee. This is one of our newer showrooms. We've opened up here in 2016. We've got about 52,000 square foot. We can hold approximately 250 cars. All the hot sellers, Mustangs, Camaros, Chevelles, real big pickup truck, obviously being down here in the Southeast, Jeeps, all the old 4x4s, Blazers, stuff like that's real popular. Stuff's selling really good right now. The market's really red hot. We're moving anywhere between 45 to 60 cars a month. We're selling a lot of cars, some within the first couple days that they're listed. If you're interested in a car or you think one might be a good fit for you, it's definitely a good idea to reach out as soon as possible. At least get that conversation started. Have a conversation with one of our professional sales guys. We offer financing, shipping worldwide. We can help get your car delivered just about anywhere. We can help you get it set up with a third-party inspector. They come in and take a look at the car. If you're coming in person, we've got a lift on site. We put the car up on a lift. They can take a look at it for you underneath. We also offer test drives in our back parking lot, so you kind of get a feel for the car as well. Check it out. If you've never purchased a car here from Streetside Classics Nashville, we help you take care of all the post-sale paperwork as well. We'll get your title set directly to you. That way you'll be able to go register the car in your state. If you're a Tennessee resident, we actually take care of that, most of that for you. Again, we can help offer shipping if you're needing delivery of the vehicle, if you're out of state. Financing, you can click on the Apply Now button right there on the vehicle detail page and apply for financing directly through our website. You can check us out on the website, streetsideclassics.com. If you're interested in a specific car, you can fill out a vehicle details page and submit an inquiry there. Give us a call, 615-930-0600. We'll have one of our sales professionals reach out right away and answer any questions you might have.